Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to Hilliard, Florida to the First Assembly of God Church for the Cruising with Christ car show. This was a good car show. This is going to be our Walkabout Cam, where we take our camera on a selfie stick and go around and film the car show, and we pick out certain cars and do 360 degree in-depth videos. This was a really good show. We really enjoyed it. Apparently they've done this show before, and it was not on our radar. We did not hear about it. Nothing. We probably wouldn't have known about it this time if they hadn't have told I hadn't have been there when they told the Callahan cruisers about it. Didn't see very much advertising for it anyway. They had a good turnout of cars, somewhere between, 50 and 60, I would guess. Didn't really count to know for sure, but it was a good size show. I mean, it wasn't huge by any means, but it was good. Anyway, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming to you. We're trying to go out to as many shows as we can, but it's going to get hard coming up summertime. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I really don't have anything else. I'm going to shut up. We're going to get you out to the hot rods. Let's rev it up for that car show!
Adds everything. Just wait for her to come when we can do it.
Hey, doing all right.
I'm in Blaine County. Excuse me, I got it in Blaine County.
Well, I'm going to give the address. I don't remember, but I'm if you simply let people know. You can't 2 weeks before the show go having a show. It's too late. Yes. So it's the young Corvette guys want to know. I know Fred and Esther want to know. They want to go. There you go. There's a hint.
What's up? Got a little markings up underneath. You're welcome. Enjoy your pot body. They got no more. So when somebody comes, I go, nope, they ain't got none of them. There's only a couple pot body guys here right now. Yeah, yeah. They got another one. 65, 67, 72.
Got half and half tea and it's pure sugar. I said,
Dr. Pepper, they don't take like that.
I said, I'm already diabetic.
Down at the bottom, these are more older, 77, 83, 85. They're about 35 years old, 40, some of them. It's Mr. You to you.
really interested. I got a second one of these already. Yeah.
You specialize in motors anyway.
I do everything. I do everything. I got I got 72 Chevelle that we're doing, a 6.0 swap and pro truck on. Doing all hauling in it and everything. I just don't do body work. Or I don't do no sewing. I ain't no sewer.
If you don't mind, move. No, you're fine. So say, let me get out of here. No, you're all right.
You gotta get the money about the motor out. You can put in an $85 pickup. I got to have. Oh, no problem.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Hilliard First Assembly of God Cruising with Christ car show. This was a great car show. Had a beautiful day for a car show. It was sunny. It was clear. It wasn't ungodly hot yet. We're heading into that, and I'm dreading it, and I know it's coming. But it was a beautiful day. They had a lot of awesome cars out there. I don't know how many they had out there. I'm going to say north of 50. It wasn't a huge car show, which was great. It was just an easy show for us. It was close to home. We didn't have to go traveling all off to go do it, which was kind of nice because we seem to stay so busy with car shows and other things, and the channel has grown to where it's beginning to to bite into free time. Anyway, we really enjoyed the car show. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We are at 358 subscribers. So we are clawing our way there ever so slowly, week to week. We pick up 1 to 2 to 3, sometimes 10 subscribers a week. Those 10s are rare and hard to come by. But any little bit helps. We're just trying to, you know, to take you out to the car show with us, so that you can see the car show if you missed it, or you would have a different car show, or whatever the case may be. We're trying to take you along with us to the car show and give you the virtual car show experience from the comfort of your couch. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys out at the car show, whatever the next car show is.